Today I'm going to be demoing the Google Docs using Screen Magnifier that's built into the Android device. I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S9 phone to demo this. So, in order to turn on the Screen Magnifier, you have to go up to Settings, go to Accessibility, then go to Vision. Scroll down a little bit and go to Magnification. And I use the triple tap screen to magnify. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. Okay, and then we're going to go back out. Let's turn it on. In order to navigate around the screen with this, you have to use 2 fingers and just kind of move them around the screen to get where you want to go. So I want to be in Google Docs. So I'm going to open up Google Docs. Okay, so the Screen Magnifier shuts off every time I open up Google Docs. So I have to turn it back on with a triple tap. And then I'm going to open this first document. And again, it turned off when I opened that first document. So I have to triple tap again to get it to magnify. And it only magnifies the screen. It doesn't magnify the keyboard. So, one thing that I realized that you can do is go back to, if you want the keyboard to be magnified, you can go back to the settings. I'm having trouble getting back there. Back to the settings menu. Go back to accessibility. Go to vision, that first one. And then right up above magnification, where we went to turn on magnifier, you can turn on a magnifier window. So that automatically turns off the screen magnifier and just gives you this little window to move around the screen. So this one will work with Google Docs, with the keyboard. So you can see the keyboard if you want to edit something. So let's go in here and try and edit something. So there you go. You can move it around the keyboard and see that keyboard enlarged, and enlarge it by pinching to zoom. Okay. Now I noticed that none of the apps that I used would magnify, the screen magnifier wouldn't magnify any of the keyboards on any of the apps that I used. And every time I go into a different app, it shuts off the screen magnifier. This screen window, or this magnifier window, is one way that we can get around the keyboard issue of not being magnified. But then again, you don't get the whole screen magnified, so it's just kind of depends on who it is, if they want to use it like this or want just the whole screen magnified. Some prerequisite skills to have an understanding of how to use the screen magnifier on the Android devices, understand how the operating system works, and then there's some things that need to be improved on the screen magnifier on these Android devices. The fact that you can't magnify the keyboard is one thing that should be improved, and then it turning off each time a new app is opened should also be improved. So there are some little glitches that it has that definitely should be improved before a vision student would want to use this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching.